Hello everyone. Welcome today in the additional. Yes, an additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Tuesday, June the 1st. Yes, a new month, June the 1st, 2021. We have in this newspaper 8 extra Sudokus. Sudokus with a 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. But we have also 2 tectonics. Here's the first one, and here's the second one. Then 2 binaries, binary number 1 and a binary number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus. And I've mentioned before, I won't do them all because it's too much for me, time consuming, because I have the same time, I need the same time also for uploading these puzzles to YouTube. So a lot of time, so time consuming. So I only pick 4 of them to solve. If there are any requests, just please leave it in the comment section. Maybe if I have the time, I will solve that one for you, especially for you. All right, but first we will solve this baby, and this one will be a number 2878. Yeah, this one 2878 287. No, 2877. Correction, 7. So I made a mistake with the numbering. Again, with the numbering. So this is a 7. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, as usual, 25. Yes, 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right. Always the 3 stars has 25. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. All right. So let's get started, guys. Let me scan the puzzle first. First time that I see this puzzle. So which number can I pick? A lot of 3s. So let me start with a 3. 3 in this column, first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1 and number 3. Okay. Okay. All right. And the following number will be a number. Let me see. How about the 5? I see here 4 5s. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. So we have a 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright, so we have a 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, and no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 5 should be there. Alright, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Alright, and now the following number. Which number can I pick? How about the number? How about the number 4? In this big square, I have two numbers 4, yes. We see here 4, no 4 in these two boxes in this big square. Therefore, no 4 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Okay. In this big square, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4, wait. Same story with the 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 and the 4, we have a pair, 1 and a 4, goes in those 2 boxes, 1 and a 4. Alright, let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 4 should be there. Alright, 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4, there 4 should be here. Alright. And now I cannot continue with the 4. How about the 1 in this row, the 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. No. Need to wait. How about the 9 in this column? 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 9 in this middle column should be here. Okay. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and the 8. How about those 2 boxes? Also the 7 and the 8 are missing. 7 and the 8. 7 and the 8 are missing in this big square, and the number 6 is missing. So the 6 should be here. Okay. Yeah. 999. Okay. Let me see. 7, 8, and the 6 are also missing. 7 and 8 and 7 and 8. Yeah. 7, 8, and the 6. Yeah, 7, 8, and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the 6 should be here. Alright. 6 in this row. 6 in the last row. So in the row between. Only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers. 4 actually it's 4. There are 4 in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 6. Here we cannot place a 6 there. We have a 6 in this big square. So the 6 could be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. And now I cannot continue with the 6. 7, 8. And a 9. Yes, the 9 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and 8. 2 boxes left in the last row for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9 are missing. 2 and 9. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and 8. 1 box left. Here we have a 7 and 8 in this row for the number 2. 2 is missing. Yes, the 2 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 9. 7, 8, and a 9. Yes, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the second column? Here we have a pair, 7 and 8. So those 2 numbers should be the numbers 1 and 4. No, 4 we have. 1 and a 9. 1 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. 1. 1. Okay, so we have in this column 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 in this column should be there. Alright. 8 and a 7. 8 and a 7 are missing in this big square. 8 and a 7. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 7 goes there. We have 8 in the last column. 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there. Okay. Yeah. Should be 8 and a 7. Yeah. Here also 8 and a 7. A lot of 8 and a 7s. Let me mark those boxes. 1, 1. 1, 1. 2, 3, the 4. 1, 4 and the 7. 1, 4, 7. Yeah. Missing the 7 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, the 6. 6, 8, 7. 6, 8, 7. 6, 8, 7. Do I have all the 9s? No. Not all the 9s. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 8, the 7, and the 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. And look, we have an 8 here, so no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. So the 7 and the 9 we have here. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. One box left in this big square for the number 7. One box left in this first column for the number 7. Okay. 1 and a 4. So those two boxes should be the 8 and the 2. 8 and the 2 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Here we have 1 and a 4. One box left in this column for the number 7. 7 is missing. So we have a 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be an 8. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. 6 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 6 goes there. Do we have all the 7s? Let me check. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes. Correct. Digit number 4, number 7. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. Alright, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. 3 stars? No, because for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 17 minutes. So I think a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the 1-star Sudoku, playlist for the 2-star Sudoku, for the 3 stars, for the 4 stars, for the tectonics, for the binaries, for the killer Sudokus, for the heavy and the light Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel, subscribe, and you find them all. Again, thank you for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. See you later in a minute with the second Sudoku. I will do a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.